What's up, guys? Back here at G Creek up in the mountains, doing some fishing, seeing what we can catch. Just gonna hit it up, probably do a lot of walking. This water's pretty shallow up here, so we're just gonna walk and try to find some holes. We've already caught one little bluegill just a second ago, so let's see what we can do. All right, guys, let's get it. I got something. When it landed, he was on there. That's crazy. He's fighting like a mo. He's fighting, that boy's fighting. He hit that bluegill, hit that as soon as it hit the water. He's just sitting there waiting on something to fall in. Look at that. Bluegill. Pretty bluegill. This little stream. See you, buddy. Look how clear this water is, guys. This water's like crystal clear. Any fish of any size are gonna be spooked fairly easily. That's why they call this place Greasy Creek. See all this grease coming out of the ground around here. I don't know what causes that. I have to look that up. I never thought to look it up before. That's why they call it Greasy Creek. There we go. I've been walking for a while without catching anything. Got another one following it. What is that? It's a bass. I think it's a smallmouth. Smallmouth bass. Look at that. Man, that thing's pretty. Got yellow on the bottom of the fins. Little small. Sorry, guys. Beautiful fish. Beautiful. I've been walking for about 15 minutes or so without catching anything. I found this little pool. I've been working it a little bit, but I'm starting to lose confidence. See if I can catch a picture of this thing. I swear I don't see how people take pictures. I lost him. I dropped him. I don't see how people take a picture in their hand. I've been trying every time and they're squirmy. Alright, well, there he went. He was a nice, pretty little smallmouth bass up here. He had a follower. Let's see if there's any more sitting over here. Oop. Might have been a rock, though. Cool. Well, I caught that bluegill. I caught something else, but I lost him. So I guess I didn't technically catch him. I think it was another smallmouth. See, I'm not sure if coosas are up here or not, because we're high in the mountains. But we do have smallmouth. There's a little one following it. I'm gonna have to be quiet, guys. I can't talk a lot because it does not take much. I brought some little crawfish imitations that I was going to use. It would have been just bomb up here, just destroyed, and I forgot them at the house. I was so pissed off. They're little bitty, and that would have worked really good for these smallmouth. Oh, I had a little one. If I can get it under that tree, let's see if I can skip it under there. There we go. Ah, dang it. Let's see if we can coax out some up here. I figure they might be sitting up here by the brush. There we go. That one feels pretty good. I don't know what it is. Either a bass or bluegill. Red breast sunfish. Pretty red breast sunfish. Pretty. That is a pretty one. That one is gorgeous. That one is a really pretty. Is a pretty redbreast sunfish. Man, look at that thing. There we go, got a picture of him. Let him go back in the water. See you, buddy. There we go. Got something else. What do we got? That little bass. What's this, rock bass? Little bitty rock bass. Cool. He's got something sharp. What up, guys? Let him go. Cool. We've got a smallmouth, a couple bluegill. No, we got a smallmouth, bluegill, redbreast, and a rock bass. Let's see what else we can get out of here. Well, guys, it's been about 2 hours. We'll keep fishing. It's been kind of rough. This water's really shallow and really clear, so it's not been easy. But we're going to walk up some more, and we may drive up the road and see if we can't find some deeper holes. Once I walk back to the car, of course, but let's just keep fishing. All right, guys. Fight like a monster. Hello, bluegill. Are totally out of whack here. Hello, bluegill. Bluegill. Another little bluegill. There we go. Cool looking fish, real pretty. Back in the water. Sploosh. And he jumped through it. Dang it. Ah, he spit it. It's probably a nice little bass. Darn it. There we go. We gotta get something in there. What we got here? Big old bluegill. Big redbreast sunfish. Nice size one. Had that in a little while. Slowly working my way. I dropped him. I've got to get the angle on this camera right. It's different than the other one, so I think I'm here and I'm up here. Like I've got to get used to that. But he was a nice sized redbreast sunfish. Well, guys, we're still trucking along. It's been a few hours. I don't know. It's been. Hold on, let me see. Apple Watch is dead. 4 o'clock. I got up here about 12:30 today, so it's been a long time. About 3.5 hours, but I'm still trucking up through here and seeing what I can get. I'm still going forward. So let's see. I really don't know what I've caught today. I think I've caught about 4 or 5 fish. It's really pretty through here. I mean, it's beautiful. I'm past. I don't know how far my car is down there. I'm even past the trail that walks along. I'm just headed up the creek here, so I'm just gonna keep on keeping on, man. Y'all stay tuned. There we go. Something not very big. Another rock bass. Rock bass. Chill out, buddy. He's freaking out. This dude is freaking out. Another rock bass. Pretty little guy. Not too bad. Watch him go. Just fishing along. What I'm doing is I'm just hitting the side, walking up, hitting the side. You know, noticing not a lot of fish are. So I am hitting the middle of the creek, but there we go. Something. Another rock bass. It's a bluegill. Caught us a bluegill. That's a bluegill for sure. And there we go. Caught something else. I'll have to catch a bass. Nice little bluegill. Not too bad. There we go. Oh, God. No. No, no, no. Man. That was a nice fish. Nicest fish we had all day. And he jumped. He'd have been this hook out or something a little bit. Keep missing fish. Man, that was the nicest one yet. For sure. I haven't really caught anything in a while. The river or creek or whatever this thing is has changed a lot. It's more creek chubs, and that's about it. I've seen a few bass. I had a bass on, I missed him, but other than that, that's been about it. So if I had something a little bit more natural, I think that's really what's hurt me. If I'd have brought them little crawdads, I'd have been way better off. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna keep on keeping on, find a place. I'm pretty sure I'm getting, which I don't know if I am or not. I might end up turning around going back, but I'm gonna go up a little ways, but I think there's a campsite down here by this creek. So I'm just gonna keep on keeping on. All right, guys. Got something finally. It's been like an hour since I caught anything. So there's still bluegill up here. Little bitty bluegill. But bluegill nonetheless. It's been like an hour. I made it to the camp spot. Walked up the river. It's been about, I don't know, about 5 hours it seems. I'm gonna go back up the road here in my truck. I think I'm gonna call it a day. So thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe and all that good stuff. I'll see y'all guys later. Get the boat, grab a pole, get down to that fish,